Dear students, welcome to my channel Rauturai classes. Okay, YouTube रे तमे सर्च करले Rauturai classes मो चैनल पाई जीवो जो थरे कि तम सेकंड ईयर रकम पाई मु इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल चैप्टर सेकंड चैप्टर स्टार्ट करबी. First you see what is potential or define electric potential. Electric potential. Potential means simple the capacity at a point. It is defined as the work done per unit charge. तार्थ कौन एकक चार्ज रे केते वर्क डन करूची बा आवश्यक हुई. दैट इज इक्वल टू योर पोटेंशियल एट ए पॉइंट. V is equal to potential is equal to work done per unit charge. Test charge, small charge Q0 नौचे. This is called work done per unit charge. That is equal to your potential. This is called mathematical meaning of electric potential. Okay. Now qualitative definition come to what is work done per unit charge in terms of qualitative. Suppose this is called your electric field due to charge Q. This space is equal to around the charge is equal to your electric field. बर्तमान टेस्ट चार्ज मु गोटे पॉइंट को आनी वेरी स्मॉल चार्ज Q0 ताले एठी बर्तमान जेतोले आसीओ अप टू दिस नो वर्क. दिस इज द आउटर स्पेस, नो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हियर. सो इफ when the charge moves into the electric field, he has to apply some force, means opposition to the electric field. You see, this is called your lines of force, direction of lines of force. That is electric field. So electric field ର opposite ଯେତେବେଳେ charge ଆସିବ, so the charge has to do some work. ତାହେଲେ এই point ରେ କେତେ work କଲା? W work କଲା. କେତେ charge ଆସିଛି? Q0. So work done per unit charge. एकक charge रे केते work done होला? That is called your potential this. This is called your mathematical and this is called your qualitative. Then infinite रू गोटे चार्ज जेतेबेले इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भितर पसिबो अपोजिशन हबो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड रो. तेणु ताकू किछि वर्क डन करिया पड़िबो. केते वर्क डन करिवो? केते चार्ज आछि? दैट इज वर्क डन पर यूनिट चार्ज. दैट इज इक्वल टू पोटेंशियल. ओके. You see, this is your potential at point A. This is equal to potential at B. You connect it. So if this is equal to higher potential, this is equal to your lower potential, means high energetic. This is equal to low energetic. Then charge flow from higher to low. This is equal to your higher to low charge flow. So which indicates a charge flow higher to lower? The answer is potential. So potential is a physical quantity which gives direction of a flow of a charge. So flow of a charge is from higher potential to lower potential. Okay. If you take your water flow, you see this is called your water. Similar level tanki. Next one is this level. Or empty tank. This is called, you see your empty. This is called full of water. This is called to water, full water. If you join a pipe here, if you join a pipe to flow this to this is called lower potential, empty. This is called to higher potential, higher energy content. That is called full water. So water flow from A tank to B tank. In this way, charge also flow higher potential to lower potential. Okay. Next come to, you see second question को आसीबा हमें potential at a point due to single point charge. Single point charge मोड Q नहीं गली at a distance of r distance रे charge थारु r distance रे मो एठी potential बाहर करी. Okay. Potential means वर्क डन पर यूनिट चार्ज माने एकक चार्ज जदि इनफिनिटी रु ए पॉइंट को आसीबो ताले केते वर्क डन हबो ताले v इज इक्वल टू w बाय q0 एटा होची डेफिनेशन ऑफ पोटेंशियल वर्तमान मु फाइंड आउट करबी इन टर्म्स ऑफ r इज इक्वल टू पोटेंशियल ओके वर्तमान यूनिटी टेस्ट चार्ज वर्तमान एडे आसीबो इनसाइड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड दिस इज कॉल्ड योर प्लस चार्ज so lines of force is outward mane this is called to direction of electric field and charge moves to inside the electric field you take this is called to your small dx small displacement work is dw okay so we know small work is equal to force into displacement small displacement force in this direction displacement in this direction force in this direction तार electric field force पकोछि ताको out करछि but charge moves towards it so this is called a dot b a b cos 180 this is equal to cos 180 is equal to -1 so minus f dx this is called your dw okay this force you know according to Coulomb's force F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square this is equal to Coulomb's force force between two charges you see this to this is equal to your R this is equal to your Q2 you take this is equal to Q2 is equal to 1 unit charge ekok charge infinity ru asila that is equal to your Q0 W by Q0 okay so very small charge मान unit charge बर्तन एठी आसी गला displacement केते हिची dx ताले dx आमे जदी यूज करबा ए r बदल रे आमे नै जिबा x ता अर्थ मो ए पॉइंट रे this to this is equal to r किंतु मु जो dx नै छी सेठी x यूज करबी ओके सो दिस इज इक्वल टू you see original Coulomb's formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square q2 is equal to मुने लिखते 1 so q1 also q1 is equal to q so this for f is equal to will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q into 1 by x square this is equal to according to Coulomb's force okay you put here so equation 1 dw is equal to 1 by 4 pi negative you see this is equal to your negative you take a negative 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by x square this is equal to your f into dx so this is called to small work done due to displacement dx okay now to get a total work up to distance r how to get take integration integrate both sides okay ताले बर्तमान आमी इंटीग्रेशन नबा 0 to w 0 work to w work this is equal to dw is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by x square dx okay कोठु आसी चार्ज ता बर्तमान लिमिट वैल्यू आमी यूज करबा कोठु आसी ना इनफिनिटी रु आसी कोठी आसी ना r डिस्टेंस रे रहइबो से एठी रहइबो r डिस्टेंस कोठु q2 तेनु तो दिस इज इक्वल टू इनफिनिटी टू r okay so this is equal to your w is equal to minus q by 4 pi epsilon 0 पळे आसला rest 1 by x square you take this is equal to minus 2 dx infinity to r okay बुझि परछो next this is equal to w is equal to minus q by 4 pi epsilon 0 this integration this is equal to x to the power minus 1 by minus 1 infinity to r okay this is equal to minus q by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is equal to minus 1 means minus x to the minus 1 means 1 by x infinity to r. ओके बुझिपारछ तमे तो एटा पढ़ी दिबो खाली जस्ट तमे जो डाउट थिबो देखि दबो जे माइनस यू सी माइनस q by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is equal to upper limit minus 1 by r. Minus means here minus means plus 1 by infinity, lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, so this is equal to minus q by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is equal to 1 by infinity is equal to 0, that is minus 1 by r. So minus minus plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. This is equal to your work done. This work done is due to unit charge. एकक चार्ज गोटे ए पॉइंट को आसिला जोटा कि चार्ज थारु r डिस्टेंस रहिबो तेनु वर्क डन पर यूनिट चार्ज v is equal to w by q0. If you take this is equal to 1, then v is equal to w. So this is equal to your potential, but work done per unit charge. Okay, so this is equal to your v is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. This is equal to your formula for potential at a point due to single point charge. Clear? ताल तुम ये केस गोटे नहीं परिबो कौन केस? This is equal to your constant. This is charge is a constant. This is your test charge to maintain your electric field. So V is inversely proportional to what? Distance. So when distance increase means distance like this increase, then potential decrease. So potential decrease in the direction of electric field. That the electric field direction is this. Potential decrease if you go in this direction. Potential will increase if you go against electric field. Okay, so potential and electric field are in opposite direction. That is, when electric field in the direction, if you go in the direction of electric field, then potential decreases. Okay. Next, potential difference. Similar method. You take your potential difference. Potential difference. The difference of a potential between 2 points. Suppose this is equal to q. Test charge asibo. This is equal to a point to b point. A to a पर्यंत asibo. What is the difference of potential? Potential is higher at b, lower at a. So this is equal to higher potential minus lower potential. This is equal to your potential difference. So potential difference between 2 points is defined as the difference of a potential between 2 points when a test charge moves from one point to other. Okay, you see this is equal to your small dx, small work. So you know dw is equal to minus f dx. Like in which expression potential at a point due to single point charge रे हमें इटा बाहर करछे small work is equal to minus f dx. Coulomb's force अनुसार this is called minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by x square. This is called your distance dx, a small displacement you take, this is called your x. Okay, into dx. To get a total work when the charge moves from a to b, this is called a point, this is called to b point. A to this is equal to RA, B this is equal to RB. बर्तमान RA रे अछि RB को आसीबो ताहले केते पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस मेंटेन करिवो, दैट इज इक्वल टू योर वर्क डन. ओके, you see, to get total potential difference, integrate both sides taking limit. ओके, बर्तमान एटा को हमें कौन करबा इंटीग्रेशन करबा लिमिट बेस रे. You see 0 to W dW is equal to lower limit is equal to RA, that point A रे distance from charge, then RB 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 minus Q by x square dx. ओके मुझे लिखी दौर टे क्लमजी हो जाऊँगी. This you know W is equal to dW integration 0 to W W. This is equal to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 you take outside. So this is equal to 1 by x square dx. 1 by x square dx you see x to the power minus 2 dx. X to the power 2 minus 2 dx, that is equal to x to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. That is equal to x to the power minus 1 by minus 1. That is equal to minus 1 by x. So you directly you use integration formula for 1 by x square. Minus q by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is equal to minus 1 by x. This limit is your infinity to, sorry, this is equal to your RA to RB. Okay, this is equal to RA to RB. You use upper limit minus lower limit, minus q by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is equal to minus 1 by RB minus plus 1 by RA. Okay. So this is equal to your W. W is equal to, you take minus common, so q by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is equal to minus common means is equal to minus you multiply here. This is equal to minus, so 1 by RB minus 1 by R. If you open it, this is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 RB minus q by 4 pi epsilon 0 RA. So this is equal to your VB. This is the potential of at point B of a distance RB. So q by 4 pi epsilon 0 or 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by R, that is equal to potential at B. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by RA, potential at B. Potential at A. This is equal to your B, this is equal to your A. This work done per unit charge is equal to potential. So potential difference means the difference of potential between 2 points when the test charge moves in the electric field from one point to the other. This is the your mathematical expression. You write it like this or like this. Okay. Next, potential energy. Potential energy. What is potential energy? Energy is equal to, you know, kinetic or potential, both are work done equal. So potential means the charge is at rest. We know potential is equal to work done per unit charge. So work done is equal to V into Q0. V is equal to, you know, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R into Q0. This work done is equal to your energy, means potential energy. So potential energy is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q0 divided by R. This is equal to mathematical form of potential energy when charge moves from Q0 to Q. That is, the charge Q0 moves from infinity to electric field at point A and B. That is equal to like this. This is equal to Q. This is equal to Q0. केते distance रे अछन R distance रे ताल केते potential energy maintain करिवो. That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q0 by R. Okay. Next, unit of potential. Unit of potential. You see, V is equal to W by Q0 जेतेबेले तुम यूनिटी ऑफ डायमेंशन फार्मूला यूज करिवो सेतेबेले यू हैव टू नो द फार्मूला एक्जेक्टली V is equal to W by Q0 if you write this is called SI unit work is equal to your joule charge is equal to your coulomb so joule per coulomb but here special unit is volt so volt is equal to joule per coulomb or you can write 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. This is the unit is volt. If it is given in joule per coulomb you write like this or volt. Okay. Similarly you can find dimension formula also. You see dimension formula for potential. Know the formula. Dimension formula. Work done you know. This is equal to your Fs. F you know. Mass into acceleration into displacement is equal to L divided by Q is equal to AT. That is equal to IT. That is equal to T. You round off M1, L2, A to the power minus 3, A to the power minus 1. This is equal to dimension formula. Very simple if you know the formula. Okay. In the next video we will discuss other terms. Any questions? Any potential? ठीक है जी? एतिक तमे आगे पढ़ो, जानो, सीखो. Okay? Thank you.